Hi everyone, thank you for coming with me to HomeGoods. Let's see what they have. Okay, look at this. Well, let's just look at this pillow first. Okay, with the buffalo check in the back. I don't want to knock that over. I can't see. Okay, then we have the serving bowls and their throw blankets. And look, they have a camper for the dog treats, and I'm loving their bed. So they have that little bed there. I don't know if my dog would stay in there, but they have that one in black, and look at this beautiful one in white. Then they have some wicker stuff and their little shampoos and things like that. Their cushions on this side, and then they have their collars. So I had to show you this. Look at this toy over here. It's Fritos. That is so adorable. These are their toys. I absolutely love those Fritos. Let's just scan through the toys, and then here's a donut. I'm like a kid in a candy store when I come into this place. Look at this. There's a gingerbread. That is so adorable. And then you have this caterpillar. And I think this is a hedgehog. Yeah, it is. Okay, so then they have a Santa. I like that. Let me just scan those for you. The little candy cane. Then you have these toys for the dogs. I'm loving that. Oh, so I'm loving this end cap. Buffalo check caught my attention. So these are beds for the bigger dogs. And this one here, I hope I can find a price for you, because this is too big for me to move. I don't see one. They're absolutely beautiful. And then we have some more stuff over here. Let me just show you real quick the Christmas stuff. So let me see if I can find a price. Okay. $16.99 for this pillow right here. Isn't that beautiful? Then you have the Happy Holiday tin. You can store their stuff, their toys in there. Then here's another Christmas pillow, and these. So beautiful, guys. And then right behind me they have this display right here, all matching containers, storage containers. I'm really liking that. Then they have, okay, so here we have this pink bowl for $3.99, and then here's the treat canister. I can't lift that. But then they have this wolf one for $5.99, and look at that one. And I like the wooden one in the back. So this memory foam bed here, I don't know where the price is. And then you have the storage container over here that says love. And so that's not really organized over there. Let's see what's on this side. So we have all of these baskets here. These baskets are gorgeous. This huge one right here is $39.99. Then you have the same gray ones that were on display over there, and every size is different. Like this size right here is $9.99. This is $16.99. And look at this. And then I'm loving those organizational bins. And then they have these that are plastic, and look how nice this one is. I like these. These are so cute. I'm really liking that. That's $49.99. And these are some hampers. And then look over here. I'm tempted. These crystal doorknobs are $9.99 each. And then here are those organizers over there, the stand-up ones in iron and the stainless steel and silver. And I think that's pretty much it, guys. So thank you for coming with me to HomeGoods just to scroll around and see what they have, and I'll see you in the next video.